In this channel, we'll be educating all of you regarding the different types of secure loans available from multiple banks. So, this channel is especially to empower people on how you can get access to a lot of funds from reliable banks and NBFCs in a hassle-free manner. So each one's profile is a lot different. Like everybody doesn't come under the same cadre. So there is a salaried profile, there's a self-employed group, there are business people, there are corporates. For each one, there is a absolute need for consistent funds from external sources. You cannot have only your salary or your revenue from your business as your primary source of income. If you keep on doing that, the cycle will keep on consistently be rolling, but you will never be able to upgrade in life. If you want to really scale up, you need to increase your overall capacity to produce for the masses. It can be for your business, or if you assume you live in a 2 BHK house, you want to get into a 5 BHK house, you need to increase your overall revenue in order to do that. So there is always a consistent requirement for infusing capital. So who will provide that capital? You don't have to go and ask for your friends or family or relatives and be embarrassed for raising a capital. There are so many ways you can raise capital with the current profile of who you are from proper banks and NBFCs. So we'll help you to explore such options on a regular basis. Okay, so Layman Loans allows you to tell you about the different forms of loans available. To begin with, today we'll be looking for a category of loan called loan against property. All right, in banking term it's called LAP. So loan against property, it's almost issued by every normal banks and NBFCs offer this loan. In simple terms, it's a mortgage loan. So why do we have to take a mortgage loan, and who needs a mortgage loan? For instance, assume you have a home loan of say 20 lakhs and it is going on a regular basis, but for your daughter's marriage or your son's education, you want to take up an additional fund. So you tried to apply for an education loan, but it did not go through. So you want to raise another 20-30 lakhs. If your property value is say 70 lakhs or 1 crore, up to 70% you will be able to get a loan against property provided you have the repayment capacity. So for instance, assume you do not have the repayment capacity and you have an individual house and you want to build another 2 portions on the first floor. You just have the ground floor built and you have the own premises. You want to build another 1 floor with 2 portions and you will be able to get an additional income of around 40,000, 20,000 as rent per portion. If you can do that, then how will you be able to raise funds? If you go for a home loan, assume you are doing the construction, you are not going to get it approved because usually home loans are given to builders or Cat A or Cat B builders who regularly do housing loans. So the entire fund of a housing loan gets disbursed to the actual builder. But in your case, assume you want to do some interior decoration, you want to do some woodworks in your home in the ground floor, and you want to also build a first floor home. But currently the income what you're getting is only able to support your current loan. So you need to actually increase your revenue in order to pay additional EMI. So whatever loan you have already taken, it is just enough to serve your current EMI. So banks are not willing to give you additional loans. In this scenario, assume you want to build another floor. So you are actually increasing the value of your property and you're trying to generate more revenue. And in case you do not have, even in your bank statement, you don't have actual income, you can still show projected income of your rent in your locality and you can raise funds through loan against property. On an average, the rate of interest currently it's around 9.5% to around 11% for such loans. It is a little higher than the home loans, but the ability to get loan against property is much higher than a home loan. The scrutiny is also much lesser because you are attaching a property for it, and as long as you are able to justify a bank that you will be able to repay the loan effectively, you will certainly be able to get this loan. So for more details, there's a form in the description as well as in the chat. Just fill up the details in case you're looking for a loan against property. You have any property. It could be a land, it could be a home, it could be a flat, it could be anything. If you have a property and you're looking for raising funds through your property, do reach out to us and we'll be more than happy to guide you. Thank you for seeing this video from Layman Loans. Have a great day. Looking forward to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.